So first of all, open Google search engine and write it down UIDAI. Click on the first option. So here is the Unique Identification Authority of India site. You need to go to the first menu, that is My Aadhaar, and under Update Your Aadhaar sub-menu, select and click on the Update Demographics Data Online. Okay, so here it is. There are three options given here. The first option, Proceed to Update Aadhaar, is for those people who have valid address proof from the list given here. So let's see that list. Here is a list of valid documents to change your proof of addresses. So here is a complete list. You required only one valid document from this list. So have a look on this list. If you have it, then you can proceed with the first option, that is Proceed to Update Aadhaar. Okay, the second option is for those people who have already submitted the application for updation. So you can check your application with an URN number. The third option, Address Validation Letter option, in which you can update your Aadhaar where you are residing currently. Okay, UIDAI will send you an address validation letter in which it will contain a secret code. So through that secret code you can update your Aadhaar address, but it is a time consuming, so better to ignore it. So let's proceed with the first option. Click on that. Okay, so here you need to enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number. So check your Aadhaar card and write the Aadhaar number from that. Let me write it down. Then enter the CAPTCHA details correctly and click on the send OTP. So you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. So check your mobile and enter that OTP here. Let me write it down. Press on login. So here we are already logged in. So there are two options here. The first option is for people who wants to change address via address proof. The second is for address validation letter. So we will proceed with the first option, that is via proof. Click on the first option. Here are some options in which you can make changes, or rather to say you can update the details like this address, email, name, date of birth, mobile number, and so we will select address here and click on the proceed button. Some details, some clarifications, read it carefully and confirm the details and proceed. Okay, so here is the current address printed on your current Aadhaar. So just have a look on that. And below is the form in which you need to enter the details of your address which you want to update in your new Aadhaar card number. So just let's enter it. So here is a care of, you need to enter your parents or guardian's name or husband name. Here is the trick. First of all, you need to write it down in English language, and the moment you press tab key, it will automatically translate in your local language. If it's correct, then let it be. If it's not, then you need to correct it manually. I am using Google language tool of my local language, that is Gujarati, here to correct these details. Okay, so just enter all the details similarly. Keep correcting your details in the local language also. Okay, now PIN code is the most important part in this, because then and then you will be able to select a proper village, town or city. So just make sure you enter your correct pin code number. And post office is also most important part in this. Okay, now open this drop down list of valid documents. Select the document you want to upload that document. Now let's click on the preview button. Okay, so this is the preview of your new address or corrected address. To have a look on that, if it is okay, then proceed with this. Enter captcha details again. So you will receive an OTP again on your mobile number. So fill in that details here. Confirm. Make payment of rupees 50. You can make payment via debit card or net banking, and after that you will receive an acknowledgement slip like this, in which URN number is the most important, because through that update request number you can track your application. So all the details are here, existing and correct address and all. So it's done, friends. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much.